What is digital or software design? Going digital in any design field means incorporating various elements such as personalization, inspiration, visualization, empowerment in the designing through various design software available today. When designing on software such as AutoCAD, SketchUp, 3ds Max, V-Ray and Photoshop etc., one gets a visual tour of the appearance of the outcome before showing it to client, and further improvement becomes a possibility. It also helps the designers shape the ideas of the client into reality. We at LaureateDesignLab School of Design train the aspiring students till the advanced level, which generally requires prolonged period of learning. The objective of this course is to learn digital techniques in spatial design or object design. Students successfully completing this course should be able to develop sophisticated digital layouts with image processing software, AutoCAD, Photoshop, create CAD-based 2D architectural drawings and 3D models, 3ds Max, Vectorworks, and develop a 3D visualization of a design. In this course, we also discuss the integration of 2D and 3D data, BIM, digital materials, as well as digital lighting and camera work. On completion, one can work as technical illustrator, digital three-dimensional modeler, visualizer, 3D simulation artist, 3D artist, building information modeler. Course highlights: micromodeling, macromodeling, materials, camera, lighting, animation, walkthrough, enhancement, outdoor, indoor, day and night effect, portfolio.